He has the hiccups. Look at him move.
Hiccup.
His head's moving.
And I love you, Herb.
Are they gone? They're gone?
Yeah.